everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 4th to the 6th on May 2026 on Monday. Zeti struggled to fit in at the Gubega homestead. The matron is traumatized by the burglary, while Mandla is played by the game of love on Tuesday. The matron cracks traces of robbery following her everywhere she goes. Mamkwanyane feels like Sifiso is giving Zetu special treatment, and Mandla is heartbroken when he confesses his love to Pindile but doesn't get the response he needs on Wednesday. Zetu demands too much of Sifiso while her family demands too much of her. Matron Katazile flight or fight to connect with her faith. The Pindile continue stringing Mandla along, leaving his loving soul tormented. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.